Hi everybody, Bob Podzik here with Peterson Strobe Tuners. Today we are going to explore tempo maps. What exactly is a tempo map? Tempo maps are multiple metronome presets chained together to create an entire click track. It can include things like meter changes, tempo curves, silent bars, color changes, voice changes, all with a virtually unlimited bar count. Tempo maps are created through the Peterson Connect web app. They can be imported via MIDI Type 0 or built using the Tempomap Creator on the Peterson website. After the tempo map is created, it is then uploaded to your Peterson metronome via the metronome configuration tool in Peterson Connect. Creating a tempo map is quite simple using the Tempomap Creator page. Simply connect your Strobo Plus HDC to your computer using the included USB cable. Navigate a supported browser to petersontuners.com and your HDC will be recognized. From here, we hover over Tools and select Design Tempo Maps. This is where we will build our tempo maps. On the right-hand side, you see the bar editor. If needed, click this drop-down and select your metronome, in my case, the Strobo Plus HDC. You'll see on the left-hand side that there's a default new tempo map in 120 BPM in 4/4 as our meter. In the bar editor menu on the right, you have the ability to change your meter or time signature, your tempo, select accent patterns, or subdivisions. You can change your display color, the voice. The all beats toggle is dependent upon which accent pattern you have. You have all beats, only accents, or no accents. Flash mode toggle will enable flash mode. Flash mode divides the curved display at the HDC into equal portions to show the beats of the bar. When flash mode is disabled, the display will tick back and forth like a pendulum metronome. The mute toggle will allow you to create silent bars. Now let's create a simple tempo map to get started. We will start with a default bar in 4/4 at 120 BPM. Now we can either click the arrow next to add bars until it says 3, or we can click in this text box, backspace, and type the number 3. Then click Add Bars. This will place 3 additional bars of 4/4 at 120 BPM into the tempo map. Notice that those 3 added bars are now highlighted in blue, and in the upper right of the bar editor menu, it says bars 2 through 4 are selected. You can click anywhere in the tempo map section to deselect those bars and move forward in the tempo map creation. Now let's change our meter and tempo for the next 4 bars. Hover to the left of the numerator in 4/4 and decrease this by 1 to create a 3/4 meter. Next, click on the tempo of 120 in the bar editor menu. We can type exactly the tempo we would like into this box, or we can use the slider above it to find our tempo. Let's click in here. Type 750. This creates a tempo of 75 BPM. Next, let's assign a new color for this section. I'm going to select dark blue. We can also choose a new voice. I'll select woodblock. Type 4 into Add Bars and click Add Bars. You now have added 4 bars of 3/4 at 75 BPM. If you click anywhere within the tempo map section, you will unhighlight the new bars, and you will see that those bars have a blue gradient on the bottom of them. This lets you know that those bars will display blue on the HDC when played back. We also see that the time signature and tempo have changed, as well as adding the word voice. Voice shows that the voice of the metronome will change at that point. Next, let's go back to 4/4 at 120 BPM. Click anywhere in the Tempo Mapped section to unselect any bars which may be selected. Go into the bar editor menu and set your meter to 4/4 and your tempo to 120. Select any color or voice, and then add 4 bars. Congratulations! You've created your first tempo map. Now let's learn how to upload it to your HDC and start playback. Name your tempo map by clicking New Tempo Map. You can highlight all of this text and delete and rename. I'm going to name this Example Tempo Map. Click Save, which should be flashing green under your tempo maps. And it is saved. Example Tempo Map. You should also see a red circle with a white arrow. This will add the tempo map to your metronome. Click it. Add tempo map to which device? Select your device, in my case the Strobo Plus HDC. And example tempo map has been assigned to preset 1 of the device you have selected. That's it. That tempo map is now on my Strobo Plus HDC. Your saved tempo map will now be uploaded to your Strobo Plus HDC. Enter the metronome function on your HDC. Find the preset slot that your tempo map was placed and press play, and your tempo map will play back. This is only the beginning of what is possible with tempo maps. In future videos, we will explore how to program entire pieces and how to use the advanced functions like tempo curves, polyrhythms, count-ins, and loops. Feel free to explore the Tempo Map editor. It's quite intuitive. Using what we have learned here, you can experiment with the other features and create extremely detailed and intricate tempo maps.